Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Audi Q7 if your keys are accidentally left inside. First, take a deep breath and assess the situation calmly. Always ensure your safety and the safety of others around the vehicle. Before considering any complex solutions, thoroughly check all doors and the trunk. Sometimes, a door might not be fully latched, offering a simple way in. Also, think if a spare key is easily accessible nearby. This initial check can save you time and effort. If your initial checks don't yield a solution, the next best step is to contact professional help. Audi Roadside Assistance is an excellent resource, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Provide them with your exact location and your Audi Q7's model year. They can dispatch a trained technician equipped with specialized tools designed to safely open your vehicle without causing any damage. This is often the quickest and safest method to regain access. While there are alternative entry methods, extreme caution is advised. Professional locksmiths sometimes use tools like a slim jim or an air wedge to manipulate the locking mechanism. However, attempting these methods yourself with household items can easily cause significant damage to your vehicle's paint, window seals, or electrical systems. It's always best to rely on trained professionals who have the right tools and expertise to avoid costly repairs. Safety and vehicle integrity are paramount. To prevent future lockouts, consider a few simple habits. Always carry a spare key, perhaps in your wallet or with another trusted person, separate from your main set. Many modern Audi Q7 models also offer remote locking and unlocking features through the My Audi app on your smartphone, which can be a lifesaver. Finally, make it a routine to double-check for your keys before you close the door and walk away from your vehicle. A little prevention goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.